In this video, I am gonna share you a simple script which will earn everyday $5 for you in Adsterra. So you need just a Blogger account and a script. Okay, so first you need to copy the script. I will share you the script and just copy the script. Okay, that's it, your first work. Don't skip this video, please guys, otherwise you will miss the main point. Okay, don't skip. Okay, now paste the script in a new post. That's it. Now in the href section you copy a direct link. Okay, you copy a direct link, go to the new post section, okay, here, and paste the direct link in here, in between. Don't miss these points, in between invert comma, paste it. Okay, after paste it, save this post. Okay, you definitely do this, otherwise you will not get the result. Okay, now confirm it. Okay, so what I have actually done, I just redirect my script, because where I will gonna promote it, they do not support direct link. That's why I need to make it as a blogger post. Okay, now my script is running, or I mean the post is successfully redirecting my direct link. Now go to this website. Okay, in this website, add new website. In the website section, click on add slot. Okay, then add website, click on add website, then paste the blog link which you have already made, then submit. You do not need to do anything. Do not skip this video, you will understand completely. This video is very important video, I hope. Okay, now I start the surfing. That's it, you do not need to worry about anything. Now what will happen, automatically traffic will transfer to you directly. So I will give you the proof how I will track them. Okay, now see what actually is happening. Actually this is automatically a traffic source where your link will be loaded in another PC, in another actual PC, okay, actual laptop. And see, this is the proof. I already getting 36, 17 hits, 3 hits. That means it's actually, you only take sometimes and you will see the result. See, in the blogger statistics you can see 25, 20. I have already done this. Okay, that's why. Now what actually is happening here, I am getting free traffic by using just only this website. So you need to sign up in here. This website is completely free for you. Okay, so only you need to sign up in here, and then you need to add your website. Don't add direct link. Okay, always use my method, use script, so that your link will not be banned. Otherwise your link can be banned. And then just play the exchange button. That's it, you need to do just this simple work. Now see what actually happening in here. It's very simple. So you see, every time I play the exchange traffic button, new ad come, and this website is very safe for Google Ads. So if any website is safe for Google Ads, this is also safe for any other ad network. Now I'm sharing you how to sign up in here. Very simple. You need just an email, then you can sign up in here. After sign up, you need to verify your email. Then click after verify, you will just sign in button again, and then you need to just simply install the extension. Without extension you cannot work here. The extension is free to download, and I will show you how to download it and how to add it in the Chrome button. Don't skip this video. This is completely a setup, passive income setup method. Okay, so see, Chrome, click on Chrome, and then okay, now see, After this, just unzip the folder which you have downloaded. Now just unzip the folder or extract it. Extract all. Click on extract all. Extract. Okay. Now close it. Okay. Do not need anymore. Now click on the extension button, then manage extension, then click on developer mode on in the corner button and load unpacked. And load unpacked, just add the extension folder. Just add this extension folder in here. Select folder. Okay. Then what will happen is very simple, and you just need to now pin it. So after pin it, your work is done. So if you want to get up this setting, repeat the video and do what actually I did. Thank you.